Over 17 million people deal with this annoying, embarrassing, even sometimes painful issue, making it the most common skin condition in the country. You know what I'm talking about? Acne it is. We asked dermatologist Dr. Ava Shamban to join us. She's here today. She's going to share some surprising reasons that we're breaking out, and these are things we don't normally think about, right?
That's exactly right. As it turns out, you don't have to be a teenager to get acne.
Tell me about it.
And yeah, I'm going to give you a few simple reasons. So the first I like to call acne of intimacy or consort acne. You know what that is? You're newlywed. You're newlywed.
I know what it is. Luckily, I haven't suffered from it, but it's interesting. Pay attention. This is a really interesting
Okay, so
one.
this is how you get it, is that if your partner is wearing makeup that's oily that gets on you, or a certain kind of fragrance or a lotion that's fragranced, you too can get acne.
You know, since acne is technically caused by bacteria, what about when, in some cases, people say, well, if I kiss someone and they have a zit on their cheek and I touch that, could it get on my cheek?
That's a very good question, because in fact, acne itself is not contagious. It's really more of a combination of bacteria that's present on the skin, as well as other factors such as the way your skin cells slough off or not, and things like, as I was mentioning, makeup or fragrance or body lotions that can get on the face.
Or even
that can give you acne.
If your partner's putting Vaseline on their mouth at night and giving you all these kisses on your face.
You're talking about all these different things,
yeah,
but
right.
it's really
Exactly.
the same basic event that is happening in all these scenarios, right? It's clogging.
It's clogging of the pores and preventing the normal exfoliation that occurs, or adding to the general oiliness of the skin, especially if you're acne prone. And the other problem, or the other type of consort acne, is if you have rough beards. So it's very important, if that happens to you, that you actually have your partner shave.
And I think this young lady's been hanging out with somebody here, and
yes, she has. Let's get her straight here for a minute. This is a diagram showing where people most commonly get acne. So it's generally in the T-zone, especially, you can see right here, as well as the sides of the face. And so if you're acne prone, then this is where you're most likely to get acne.
So it's sort of similar theory, but a different place we're talking about.
Okay, so this acne is called pomade acne, and it's related to the time when people used to use these hair products that are called pomades. So what happens is you can break out right here along the forehead. And so what you're trying to do is you want to avoid hair care products that have lanolin, mineral oil, or petrolatum. And if you are using them, then bring them back a little bit from the hairline. Now, one thing that you can do is, if you are putting a hair product on that you want to do something with your bangs, that then you can take a glycolic salicylic acid pad and you can wipe right along your hairline, just like this. Whoop, don't budge my head
Now,
here.
are you doing this before or after you put the product?
After you put the product on. Yeah, after you put. You can do it before and
You're
after.
basically wiping off whatever might be clogging up your pores. Now, what in the world, I'm looking at glasses here, and I'm thinking, how
the glasses have to come off, right?
So glasses, it turns out that the pressure of the glass bridge right here on your nose can cause acne. And so you can see that if we take these glasses off, look at those two little pimples. And so what you do here is you can either use blotting wipes, you want to be sure to clean the glasses, or if you don't have a blotting wipe, don't be afraid just to take out a little Kleenex.
Let me ask a question, and particularly is it the glasses with these little nose bridges, because the plastic frames I wear sit higher up and don't seem to cause that same issue. If you wear
the aviator style?
Well, I think it's more that if you notice that you're breaking out right here in the nose, and you need to change your glasses, because it can occur with any kind of bridge. Yep. Those look very good on you.
Yeah,
all right,
give them those. You may get pimples, but it's worth it. Are we moving on?
We're moving on. We're moving on to the dreaded bra acne. So this is called, the back acne. So this is called acne mechanica. And what that means is when you have pressure from anything, and so weightlifters get it, violinists get it, that you can break out from the pressure. It's very well known. So one thing to do is to make sure that your bra is perfectly fitting. And then the other thing is if you're working out in a bra, be sure to change your bra, or look for a bra that doesn't have really constricting underwire, because that can be very uncomfortable and create acne.
I mean, look at this.
Such cool,
look at this.
Seemingly inconsequential things. Dr. Shamban, thank you for sharing these.
Thank you. So great to see you.
Thank you.